Welcome back. Today, we're dry icing the Supra. Hey, you know what time it is? It's dry ice time. Dude, look at this. I feel like freaking Bill Nye the Science Guy, bro. Oh, man. We're gonna try to get all this sound deadener off. So we got, oh man, it already like freaking froze my hand. We got 20 pounds of dry ice. So we're gonna put it on the floorboards and hopefully it pulls up our OEM sound deadener. Here we go. Hi. Hello, my name is Supra Penguin and I'm gonna take off floorboard shit today. It's like we're freaking Billy Madison, bro. Alright. We gotta glove up, bro. Because if we don't glove up, I literally burnt my skin already. Alright. Think I should wear rubber gloves underneath this?
You want to glove up? You should double bag it.
Bag it before you tag it. Alright.
I don't think that's going to do anything.
No, I'll rubber glove it because the Milwaukee gloves aren't going to do nothing.
You don't have like winter gloves?
No.
What do you do when you go outside and it's
cold out?
cold
I don't believe in winter, dude. I deny it. The whole season.
Did you realize we live in Chicago,
yeah,
right?
I deny it the whole season.
Okay, well, you know.
The entire season I go, no.
What happened when we had like that 28 inches of snow?
I didn't have gloves. I had these. Yeah, I was snow blowing in these bad dogs.
Okay.
Alright, so what do you think we gotta use there? Oh, this one's broke. BFH?
BFH.
I would imagine this wouldn't feel good in the old eyes. What are you doing to that thing there, Gary? There, guy? Fucking Bob.
Hey, listen, man, I know how to work cars, not cameras.
You better learn. Ready?
Dumper way, dumper Rooney.
Should we start with the big part? Oh, look at the action. Ready?
Set. It's like spooky now. Wowzers. Give me a one-liner there, Bob.
I don't got a one-liner. It's supposed to start cracking. It's not cracking or popping right now. There's no Rice Krispie treats going on.
Shh. I'm hearing Rice Krispie treats.
I hear Rice Krispie treats.
Hey, broskies, it's working.
You think it's working? We gotta just let it sit now. We gotta let it... Well, I hear a lot of crackling going on. We just gotta let it sit.
Alright, we'll let her sit. We'll be back. Okay, don't put beer and let it go dry ice.
Yeah, do not put beer on dry ice. It's cold really fast. Alright, so what do we got?
Oh, she just comes right up, bro.
Oh, yeah, dude.
It's like,
that's awesome.
Like butter.
Holy crap.
It's like shoveling snow.
Alright, so we're gonna move it over to the other side. This is some cold shit. Dude, can you believe this? Can you believe how quick this works? I can't see though.
No, you can't. It's so smoky.
You dick. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Is this... Oh, dude.
I was to say the tongue's coming right off.
This looks like a freaking charm, dude. There's people online that say this doesn't work.
Maybe they just don't know what they're doing.
I would go with that.
Maybe they were just using ice, not dry ice.
Like vanilla ice?
Fucking idiots.
Fucking vanilla ice fans.
Hey, man. You always over there beating it?
Yeah, you know, remember that game when you were a kid? It was like that. It had like the
Crush the ice so your dad can have cold beer?
No. No. Remember that? Hey, boy.
Yeah.
Don't crush me some ice there.
Dude,
man.
stop, I'm having flashbacks.
No, remember that game with the guy with the chair in the middle of the ice?
Oh, yeah. Don't break the ice.
It's like that, but the point is to break the ice.
Huh.
You know what I'm saying? What's it called? Don't break the ice?
Don't break the ice.
Well, that's not what we're doing here.
Hey, man, how much you breaking over there?
Well, I was just trying to get it.
Getting real powdery.
Yeah.
Eh.
Oh, boy.
I think you went a little crazy.
Oh, boy.
Okay, hold on here.
Where are we putting it? In the back?
I would say put in the back so we can push her down. Woo! Blow on it there, buddy. Use your lungs.
Okay, she's Rice Krispie on us. All right, here's an update. We got all of the floorboard sound deadener off. I'm working on the tunnel now, but we're gonna end up needing more. I have some of it in the back. I started in the back, but it's working really well. We're not doing any type of mixture with, I've saw people do, like they mix it with alcohol and they make snow out of it. So we're not doing that. We're just using regular dry ice and it's working really well. $32 pounds. That's how much sound deadener I got out of the car. From the floorboards, the tunnel, and the trunk area, 32 pounds. I don't know, it seems like a lot to me. But the sound deadener is completely gone. The dry ice worked way better than I expected. Little to no time. From start to finish, maybe took me 2 hours. So now that it's completely done, gutted, sound deadener's out, it's ready for blasting. So the next one will be of us taking this car somehow to Bryans Auto Rebuilders so it can start the process. Catch you on the next one. Some people, besides saying cucumbers taste better pickled,
They're stupid.
well, listen though.
Wait, no,
Some-
cucumbers do taste better pickled. She fell out.
Oh, I hate it when she falls out.
I know. You get that good rhythm and everything, and you look down and you're like, oh man, I'm not even the right
I've been
stuff.
smacking butt cheek for the last 30 seconds.
What are we talking about?
I thought we were talking about
Sucks.
doors.